Hey, are you obsessed with this dreamy, shiny early vintage style, but can't find a way to achieve it? Welcome to Freedom Design. Today, I'm trying to recreate the effect of a poster I found on Pinterest. Stay tuned if you want to join. First, I'll place the poster on the canvas to observe the details more clearly. Adjust the poster so that it fits the canvas properly. Then, press I on the keyboard to bring up the color picker, which will allow you to directly select the background color. Next, I will drag in my object. In this case, I'm using an apple, but feel free to explore and use any image you like. I'll keep it horizontal and resize it until it's large enough. Now, we're going to start creating the dreamy, shiny effect. First, duplicate your object and convert it into a smart object. Next, go to the top menu, click on Edit, then Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. I recommend setting the blur value to 15, as the optimal range is typically between 10 and 15. Next, set the blending mode to Screen, and lower the opacity to somewhere around 80 to 85. Now, let's go to the bottom menu on the bottom right. Click on the circle icon and select Solid Color. Set the solid color to pure white. Change the blending mode to Screen and adjust the opacity to 10%. Next, apply a curve adjustment to the object to enhance its contrast. Finally, remember to make everything a clipping mask. We have already created a dreamy, shiny effect that closely resembles the poster. Now, this next step is the least important, but it will help you achieve a super shiny, bling-bling look on the object. You can find any sparkle online that you think will work well, but I already have mine, so I'll just drag it in. The placement technique is simply to position it on the highlighted part. We're slowly getting there, aren't we? For the typography, I am using Superior Title for the main title of the poster. Feel free to adjust, drag, or resize the typography in any way until you achieve the desired feel. For the smaller text, I find Montserrat fits best. If you have any font you'd like to use, feel free to do so. For the table, I'll just simply using a rectangle, resize it, then apply Gaussian blur to get close enough to the poster. If you look closely enough, you'll see that there is text in the center and bottom of the object that we need to replicate as well. Finally, we come to the last step. Apply any texture or filter that works well, and keep experimenting until you achieve a satisfactory result. Look at this! We have created a viral, dreamy, shiny effect. The cool part is that you can continue experiencing it. Anything is possible. If you find this tutorial video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Art is free. This is Freedom Design. I'll catch you in the next video.